Mike Tucker, I'm scared to get my liver enzymes checked. There's one for you. Well, I got my enzymes checked, and let me just tell you, after years of drinking heavy booze with heavy Robitussin with DXM in it, and puffing paint thinner, and basically treating my body like a abandoned amusement park, trashing it with litter and all kinds of poison and toxins, my liver enzymes were elevated slightly right after just horrible binges, but aren't anymore. And let me tell you, I trashed my body with alcohol, all kinds of Robitussin has acetaminophen in it. And I would just drink bottles of Robitussin. I don't know how much you drank. Mike, right? It was Mike. You were Mike. Mike, you were the one talking about your liver enzymes, correct? It's amazing how much the liver can put up with. It put up with my onslaught of, Alan Garcia, how are you? My liver put up with my onslaught of chemicals for 20 years. Well, thank you, Lynn B, for subscribing. The liver is an incredibly resilient organ. You'll be surprised at, and so don't be nervous. And look at it this way, whether it's good or bad, you'll at least relieve your anxiety. But trust me, I trashed my body, and my liver it came up and he was like, your enzymes are a little elevated. And then a couple months later, they weren't. So don't be scared, Mike, right? It was Mike, you were Mike. Mike, you were the one talking about your liver enzymes, correct?